Riding your bike in rain? Here's how to stay safe and protect your ride. Check tires. Make sure there's enough grip. Clean brake pads. Wet brakes lose efficiency. Lubricate chain. Rain causes rust quickly. Protect electricals. Cover battery and wiring from water. Wear a full face helmet. Use a bright raincoat and reflective jacket. Drive slow. Avoid sudden braking. Avoid water puddles. They might hide potholes. Keep headlights and indicators on. Be smart. Ride safe. Share this video with every rider you know.